guys, don't tell him anything because he's scared as fuck.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name's Adolfo.
My name's Maria.
And for today's video, we decided to come on a little hiking trail slash waterfall, right?
Yeah. So practically what we're going to be doing today, guys, is we're going to just vlog our day.
So the first time we came, we didn't really record because we wanted to like enjoy being in the water rather than to be like filming every single little thing. But today, we're going to try and film as much as we can and still
you guys are wondering why I have a band-aid in my nose because I got a nose job.
You got a little fake ass nose job. Look at this. What? Yo, what?
Why do you say a little fake ass nose job?
Because it's fake.
It's a nose job. What are you talking about?
No, for real, tell them why you have a
I have a nose job. I have a band-aid, guys, because I got my piercing done like 3 weeks ago and it hasn't healed because I've been coming off and it hurts so bad when I take it off for a while and try to put it back in. And I don't want it to get infected, so that's why I put on a little band-aid. I feel like everyone's looking at me weird because I have a band-aid in my nose. It's okay.
Should we show them how the trail looks or what?
Yeah, show them. So we're 100 and...
It's like... it's like a 10-minute hike, right?
Yeah. It's like 6 months. But it's really short. I thought it was going to be longer, guys, but it's actually really short. We've been to longer ones and it's like... I honestly like this one better than the other ones.
We've been on a like 2-hour hike,
yeah,
and maybe next time we'll record that, right? Because that one's nice too. It just isn't as deep.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So we're like halfway down. Yeah, or no?
Yeah, I think we're halfway there.
We're like 5 minutes in.
Yeah, but we're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there. We'll show you guys the waterfall as soon as we get there.
As soon as we get there. Hopefully, God, it's not as busy.
Are you gonna jump off the big ass rock or no?
Yeah.
You guys, she jumped off the big rock before I did.
No, he jumped off right away.
And right away, as soon as she got out there, she threw herself. I was like, damn, what the hell?
It's because I was like, if I look down and I think about it, I'm not gonna jump off. So I told them I was standing back, so I wouldn't see how far, like high up we were. And I told them, I was like, tell them to record because I'm just gonna jump.
Oh, shit, be careful.
And I was gonna fall.
Yeah, she jumped off right away, and I took like 40 minutes. I was literally.
And then I jumped off again.
Oh yeah,
I jumped off 2 times, and he still had not gotten it.
I was up there for like 40 minutes, and then how high is the jump?
I don't know.
Supposedly they were saying that it was like 45 feet high, but it doesn't look that high.
It doesn't look that high.
But once you're up there, it does feel really high.
That was that. Right now, like, let me show. Let's show him this.
Oh, and her brother and her cousin came along
yes,
with us.
My brother is right there. The one with the blue backpack, and the other one is my cousin. And that's my boyfriend.
Before we get to the actual like waterfall, there's like a cool little teepee. It's like a little area to like hang out. Can you do barbecues there? I don't think so.
I don't know.
It's just like, it's like a little landmark.
Yeah.
It's cool. We'll show you guys the teepee when we get there. It's like an Indian style.
Yeah.
Thing.
Native.
Yeah, native. There you go.
So we're almost there, guys.
You should have shown how high it fucking looks from right here.
Well, boy, do you want me to get close and fall?
No.
Guys, I look so dumb. Doesn't matter. Wait, right now we'll show you guys. We're on top.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. No, look, that's the teepee we're talking about.
We're near the teepee.
Yes, and we're almost down.
Yeah, we're almost down, but it looks like a long ass way.
It's not though.
You guys, when you're like headed to the waterfall, it feels like
so fast.
Yeah, it feels fast, and then when you're out of the water coming back up, it feels long as hell.
Yeah. He was struggling to get back, guys, last time.
Cause I had a cooler, that's why.
Yep, that's true.
So this is the teepee.
Damn it, Eduardo and Christian are in a hurry, bro.
I know. It's like a nice little spot. So the waterfall is right down there. We used to have to walk down all that. You can hear people like screaming already, and you can hear the water running. So what cliff are you about to jump off first?
I think the biggest one, no?
Hell no.
No?
I'm gonna warm up. I'm gonna jump off the small ones.
You said that you were gonna jump off the big one first so that you can be warmed up by
It was just a joke.
Huh?
It was just a joke.
You know what he said, guys? He said that he was gonna insert the clip from the last time that he jumped off if he doesn't jump off this time from the biggest cliff.
Because I'm basically wearing the same thing.
That's cheating.
So if I don't jump off this time, I'll just insert the clip from last time. You guys won't even know.
We're hoping that we can even get in.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh my god, I'm so about to fall again.
Oh, and speaking of last time, wait, remember that kid was up there and then like the rangers pulled up, they're like, hey, get out, and everybody was like, jump dude, jump, there's no other way, jump off. He was freaking out, you guys, and he called his friends to like help him get off.
Yeah, he was hiding because there's this little cave, like when you're up there it's like a little cave and you can kind of hide, and he was hiding there.
Yeah.
He didn't want to show his face. It was funny.
That was weird though. The rangers pulled up
on,
oh shit, it's down here, huh? About to go the wrong way, you guys. Oh yeah, so basically the rangers pulled up and they kept like going like with the little siren. They're like, get out the water.
No rock climbing.
And no one left. Everybody stayed there. They ended up not coming back. I'm gonna cut it right here because I might fall. Yeah. Or fuck it, let's just keep recording. Look. Alright you guys, so we finally made it. We found a little spot right here. We're about to show you guys the waterfall. That's where we're jumping, well not me.
Yeah,
that's where they're jumping off from and she's jumping off from.
You too.
Maybe, we'll see. But we'll see if we can get some clips like jumping off and shit. Drop it. Like, oh, okay. Hey, you should move over there.
Danny, he's gonna do it right now.
He's gonna do it?
Yeah, he's already up there.
Yeah, foot down the track.
Like I don't.
Alright you guys, so we jumped off the little cliff, which is that one right there. She's about to go up through here. I'm gonna go to the other side to film her. Look, this is the way it is. It's a little like steep, but it's all the way up there. So I'm gonna head out to the other side to record her jumping off the big one. No flip, nothing.
You got it! You jump forward and then you do a backflip. Woo! Yeah. I can't do that. All right, then you do a backflip.
Why'd you put one in my face?
Huh? Wait, let me get farther back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Getting tired. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm tired.
Come on, buddy, doctor! Is your phone cracked? Come on, do it.
1.
Oh! Let's go! Okay, babe, go. Or you, Raymond, go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna jump. Count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Pinche nalgón, I swear. Ándale, you. 3, 2, 1. Not me. From right here, though. Okay, I'm gonna jump. 1, 2.
Where's the phone?
It's right here. Count down. Wait, I can't see. Wait. Okay, go.
I need to count down.
5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hurry, baby. I'm gonna go tricky on that. Okay. Oh. Wait, how does it look? Where's gun? Yeah. Babe, can you record me? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, you guys, so it was a successful little trip besides the fact that she lost her shoes. And then this kid that we just met lost, Trippy T.
Rip his phone?
He lost his phone in that like 15 feet deep lake. Or whatever it is, bro. Fucking waterfall. Well, everything was good besides the fact that someone's phone got lost and we lost a pair of shoes. So we're about to head out, and she still has she changed like 3 bandages already.
I have a 4.
Bruh.
Oh, 4.
4 bandages, guys.
But we jumped off like 4 or 5 times from the cliff.
Oh, I have your towel?
From the cliff.
You jumped like
Give it to me, bro.
4 times. I jumped like 6.
Alright. Everybody's out of here already. It looks nice. We jumped off from up there. We jumped from right there too. It's pretty much empty already. We finally made it back, you guys. After like 20 minutes We're finally back to the car. Over there. About to head back home. Get something to eat. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end out the video there.
If you guys like these types of videos, let us know down below in the comments. If you guys like the vlogging more.
If you guys want to see like more videos outdoors, like hiking towards like waterfalls and things like that, let us know. Because we like doing that a lot, like going to hikes, but like where there's something towards the end, like a waterfall. Yeah.
Waiting for us.
Yeah, like we don't like just going to go. Like we like.
Yeah, I don't like hiking in general. Like just to hike, no. Only if there's a waterfall and I can get in. But yeah.
Yeah, because when you're hiking, it's like all hot, and then towards the end, there's some water, and you get refreshed, and it feels all good. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos.